As human activities continue to intensify, the problem of air quality has become a global challenge. By conducting air quality tests, we can promptly identify the sources of air pollution, such as exhaust emissions from vehicles and industrial waste gases. This carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide analyzer can detect toxic and harmful substances in the air of public places. The instrument measures the concentration of cocoa in the air based on the non-diffusion infrared principle, making it an essential instrument for environmental monitoring and occupational health monitoring fields. The instrument is capable of performing automated detection. It can measure upon startup, which is convenient and fast. It adopts the Android intelligent operating system and is equipped with a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen. The operation is simple and it conforms to the usage habits of most people. Using high-precision infrared sensors, the measurement accuracy is high and the response speed is fast. In addition, the instrument also has an internal constant temperature heating function, which is suitable for operation in outdoor low-temperature environments. It is equipped with a thermal printer, a USB interface, and a Wi-Fi wireless upload function. Various data storage methods facilitate the management and analysis of data. In conclusion, this is a very practical instrument, which is of great significance in protecting people's health and promoting the sustainable development of society.